Okay, so imagine walking into a giant tech wonderland. And bam, there's a robot horse staring at you, a flying taxi buzzing overhead, a robot waiter waving you over like you're late for lunch. Yup, welcome to Osaka Expo 2025, where the future isn't something you wait for. It's already tapping you on the shoulder. Today, I'm showing you the top 5 most mind-blowing robots Japan just dropped on the world. And trust me, these aren't your clunky old sci-fi bots. These are next-level creations that make you question everything. Ready? Let's roll! Number 1. Gundam Next Future Pavilion, the giant that rules them all. And finally, the king of the expo, the one that made everyone stop and stare. The Gundam Next Future Pavilion, a towering, jaw-dropping, life-sized Gundam robot, built from real metal, real engineering, real dreams. Standing tall, a symbol of how far humans will go when they decide, hey, let's build something absolutely insane. Because why not? You walk up to it, and it's like staring up at a skyscraper that might just wink at you. Number 2. Kawasaki Corleo, the robot horse of legends. Hold on to your hats for this one, because Kawasaki Corleo isn't a car. It's not a bike. It's a freaking robotic horse. Yup, a hydrogen-powered mechanical beast you actually ride by, leaning your body. No steering wheel, no joystick, just you and your instincts. Rivers, rocky cliffs, mud, Corleo just shrugs and powers through. This thing looks straight out of a video game, but it's real, and it's stomping its way into history. Number 3. Honda Uni 1, glide like a boss. All right, picture this. You're sitting in a chair, you lean slightly forward, and zoom, you're gliding across the floor like magic. That's the Honda Uni 1. No handlebars, no pedals. You move it by just shifting your body, like it's reading your mind. Perfect for airports, malls, or just flexing on your friends. It's hands-free freedom with wheels. And honestly, it looks way cooler than walking. Number 4. Walker C, your new humanoid tour guide. Now, if you're the type that gets lost even inside a shopping mall, good news. Meet Walker C by UBTech. This guy walks, talks, dodges crowds, and gives tours, all while being polite enough to put your best friend to shame. He even speaks multiple languages, because, being cool wasn't enough. Watching Walker C move is like seeing the future stretch its legs for the first time. Number 5. Pudu Flashbot Arm, the robot butler. We all secretly want. First up, meet the Pudu Flashbot Arm. Imagine walking into your hotel and instead of a human bellboy, a sleek robot glides up, holding a tray like it just finished a diploma in manners. It opens elevators, picks up stuff, hands you your latte, even guesses what you need by reading your gestures. Not creepy at all, right? It's got arms that move so smoothly, you'd think it's been practicing ballet backstage. Welcome to room service, 2050 style. So here's the big question. If you could pick one of these crazy robots to bring home, which one would you pick? Would you fly around on a Uni 1, ride the Corleo into the sunset, or maybe have Walker C guide you to the best ramen shop in town? Tell me in the comments. I'm reading every single one. Smash that like button if you believe robots are officially cooler than most people now. Hit subscribe if you want the front seat to this wild, unstoppable future we're riding into. Until next time, stay curious, stay fearless, and hey, don't forget to lean forward and ride.